Guys, welcome to London, and we are in Canary Wharf, and what are we going to see today? Illusionaries, Latent Spaces.
Canary Wharf is part of London's financial district, and we arrive here at its very futuristic-looking tube station. Canada Water is the location of this showcase, and Crossrail Place is the development where it's actually housed. Crossrail Place also offers a stunning rooftop garden amongst some brilliant shopping and even has an everyman cinema. So it's fitting that this artistic showcase is part of the scene here. The AI artist Marcos K is the creator of all the visuals, and Formation Space is the first room in the show. Please note that this is not the original music. The composer has actually created such gorgeous music to the stunning imagery that the experience almost feels like a sound healing session. Marcos K's visuals are simply breathtaking as the Formation Space ventures into the beginning of life itself. Through the ever-expanding possibilities of artificial intelligence, these biological inventions reveal fictional evolutions that take the viewer on a seemingly never-ending experience. This collage of organic images is profoundly calming and relaxing to everyone in the room. What a beautiful visual adventure this is! The show Latent Spaces and what you see today is the fruit of Marcos K experimenting with generative art over a time period of no less than 2 decades, and is actually being presented to the public for the very first time in such an immersive format. The next experience waiting for you is the Complexity Space in room number 2. It depicts the birth of environments and life forms as never seen before, where natural ecosystems meet the synthesis of artificial intelligence. Apparent underwater scenes are just so gorgeous. Next up is the Agent Space, so prepare yourself for some seriously challenging visuals. Wow, this looks crazy! And finally, you'll reach the Breathing Space room, where the multidisciplinary artist portrays multidimensional creatures living in a carefully crafted soundscape. Hey, enjoyed this visual space trip with us? Then do subscribe and like us on YouTube, and sign up for our free VIP newsletter online at TA-DAH.TV and on Patreon too. See you next time. Bye!